everyone, welcome back. Today we are reviewing silicone gel heel socks. These are ideal for cracked heels or ankle pain. So let's get started. This product is from brand IZZORI and the MRP is $6.99, but I got it from Amazon for $3.99 only, and the link is given in the description box. Inside the pack you get one grey color socks. This is free size, it fits both men and women, and the fabric is stretchable. And if you reverse the socks, here this is silicone gel pad and that covers your entire heel and ankle, and these are botanical gel pads. These are infused with vitamin E, jojoba oil, grapeseed oil and olive oil. So if you have cracked heels or dry heels, you can definitely try these, or even if you have normal heel or ankle pain, these works great there too. The design is such that you can wear them at home with slippers, inside shoes, anywhere, and these are washable, reusable, ventilated design, breathable, so you can wear them all day and they stay completely comfortable. And they give this extra cushioning, and if you stand with these socks, you won't feel anything on your ankle. It will be very soft to land. So overall, excellent product, comfortable cushioning, must have for cracked heels. So give it a try and subscribe for more. Bye bye.